Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 26th, and this is my morning analysis for the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So yesterday I was talking about how this move up to me didn't really look right. I mean, yeah, it definitely did break structure, but it didn't look like it was actually the continuation of the uptrend. And then what happened is it ended up drifting back down, all the way back down to the previous lows. Now, I think we are very likely in a correction to the last move up. I think we are very likely to at least go down to the 38% minimum. I mean, maybe it will end up doing something like this before it actually gets down there, but I do think that we are likely to make some sort of a three-way pullback probably over the next week or so. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I definitely am still looking for shorts. Even if it does go up and break this high right here, I would definitely still be looking at any move I see to the upside is likely just a correction to the downtrend. But if it does go up and if it does break this high right here with momentum, then at that point I would assume that it's likely a wave B because I think this whole move down is a wave A. Last week we were talking about how this was possibly a flat pattern, but I think that the flat failed. That means that this is likely only a wave A of a correction. Even if it does drift up, which I don't know if it will or not, it's probably only a wave B. Now keep in mind it doesn't have to even drift up like this. It could go up a little bit, it could make a lower high, it could make a lower high, and it could keep going down to the 38% Fibonacci retracement I showed on the daily time frame. I'm just saying that if it does break structure, then I would expect to see a correction to the whole move down. But it doesn't have to break structure. It could make a lower high and just keep on pushing down to the 38%, which is why I would recommend shorts in a downtrend right now. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.